Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to delete or remove your payment method on Aramex application. To delete your payment method from Aramex, the first thing to do is to open the Aramex app from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. After you're inside the main home page, tap on My Account at the bottom right hand corner, and in the My Account tab, tap on Manage My Cards. You will then be able to see your payment method displayed on the screen that you've currently added. To delete a payment method, tap the Remove button right next to your payment info, and you will then be able to delete your payment method in just a tap. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.